Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom step by step and for beginners. So let's jump right into it, okay? Venom is one of my favorite characters ever. So let's get started. So right here I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna draw a kind of line down over here for the front of the face, front of the eye really. Pulling up over here, and it's gonna kind of have this wiggliness all the way up. Pull in. Curving at the front, kind of anchoring the front of the eye, which I think is important. Curve down here, up over here, and you're kind of like zigzagging it all the way up as well. That zigzag right there is a little bit arbitrary, I would say. It's just kind of like, is what it is kind of thing. Like you could just draw it straight if you want, but I would throw a little flare at the end of it. But the flare itself is kind of like subjective. You could do it. I could do it again right now, and it could be a little different. Gonna pull out over here for the kind of brow curve. Out over here, down. Line over here for the mouth, kind of the top of the lip, I mean. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification if you like drawings in general. But this is a Halloween drawing channel, so absolutely hit the subscribe for that, okay? I'm gonna be posting Halloween stuff, or at least scary-ish stuff related like this throughout the Halloween season. So you don't want to miss out on it. And don't forget to pick up a sticker, by the way, because those are only there for the season. Down over here. Down over here. Down over here, down, 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 curve back, underneath, to get that open mouth. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw his like a zigzag right there for the tongue, right? And it's gonna be kind of indiscriminatory. I'm just gonna go wild with it. Pulling back over here. Curve around this side. And I'm just gonna give it some thickness to it, right? Top of the bottom of the lip there. Jaw. Back over here, up. Over here in this area, I'm going to draw triangles straight up for the teeth there. Back of the neck. All right. So now every part of him now is going to be, the neck, bottom of the neck, and pulling down here for the rest of the body right there. So now the rest of him is going to be very, very kind of detail oriented, to be honest. So now the rest of him is going to be like drawing little lines right here along the tongue to make it look kind of more 3D. Don't forget, by the way, if you have issues with, let's say your line work, let's just say your lines are like really crummy, they're very, shaky, go to sketchingeasy.com and click the dragon, okay? There's a dragon image over there, and when you click that, there's a beginner drawing lesson on there that is amazing. It's gonna help your stuff out so well. So actually push into that, okay? Push into making your lines cleaner. Like, I'm gonna draw these thin lines here. But when you make your lines cleaner, it's going to improve your overall drawing. even if you don't change much of your, even if you change anything knowledge-wise, it's gonna change your overall drawing. Line over here. I'm put on a dark spot too right here, really just on the tongue area, because you're giving some sort of kind of dimension showing these lines, and that's what's kind of, it's pretty easy to do that, honestly. Just throwing like a thick line along the tongue and then throwing maybe like a little, like little notches on it to show kind of like almost pseudo cross hatching. Pull a line down here and then fill that out. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Curve line over here at the top. And then the thing is, you can do this everywhere. These kind of like little these little like kind of like hash lines right there, and it makes stuff look a lot better. Especially to the tongue. Like I said, I guess you can do it to him too, although he's generally colored entirely dark. But not for this drawing, you know. You don't have to do that. I can throw a line. I can throw a big chunk down here, and the reason I'm doing that is I want it to. Kind of throwing that line down here. Again, just kind of giving it that kind of feel of like gravitas when you do that kind of thing. When you draw darks, it kind of puts it everywhere. Like again, if you want to go over this more, I go over this stuff hardcore in my private lessons over on Skillshare. I'm about to add lessons to my website, sketchingeasy.com, or on the site. But definitely, yeah, reach out to me if you need any advice. Let me lines right here on the teeth to give it some dimension. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you very, very soon, okay? See ya.